What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. And today we're working on a EZGO TXT, just a regular old plain Jane use around the house kind of deal. It is going to be a 2003. This one is gas, and the complaint is that it will click but will not run. Key switch on. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we can hear there that the solenoid's clicking, but I'm not getting nothing out of the starter generator. So I'm going to grab my meter and a few small little tools. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test this battery. It is a new battery. It's from January of 24. So we should be seeing good voltage here. Alright, so we see 12.9 on the meter. That's really good battery voltage. Cover pulled off of the solenoid area here. That Julie, get that out of your way. Alright guys, so we obviously know that from the hot side of the battery you have a cable that runs across and comes over to your solenoid. Then you have a cable that runs from your solenoid over to the starter generator, which I found completely unhooked from the starter generator. Obviously our cart's not going to run now. So let's get this thing put back on properly and see what we got. Alright, so I'm going to move the air box all the way out of my way. I want to see what wires hooked where on this starter generator, because it's obvious that the customer put it on wrong, but that's okay. I mean, it happens. We all do things backwards sometimes, but we're gonna get this taken care of. Alright guys, so it's probably not going to be easy to see. What I'll do is I'll take you over here to one that I have open. So in the cart over there, they do not even have the 12 volt source hooked up to the starter generator. What they did was they put the looper wire from here to here when it's supposed to go from there around to the back side. Okay, so it's the F1 position to the A2 position with the looper wire. Alright, and then you'll have your ground from the golf cart to the bottom of the starter generator. They don't have this proper, nor do they have 12 volts supplying the source to the starter generator. So we're going to get that wired back up for them and see what we get out of this. Just getting all our wires attached back to the right places here, guys. And the wire covers back over. Okay, so let's see what happens. We're going to give the pedal a push and find out what goes on. Okay, so we've got a connection issue somewhere. Also, probably due to the rust buildup, so let's get that cleaned off. It was stuck in the bottom there, just holding rust under it. Actually going to put a nut on these instead of the wing nut. See what kind of reaction we get from the golf cart now. Okay, there we go. So this one was as simple as the wires not being in the right place on the starter generator to start with, and then we had a connection issue here at the battery on the positive side, right around where the cable lays to the connection. Had a connection issue right here at the terminal end, so that was stopping the power from getting to the solenoid there. And then we're going to put this box back on and try and take this cart for a ride and see what happens. This is the only complaint that was given to us. Otherwise, it was supposed to have been running great. So we're going to throw it back together and see what we get. Alright, let's give this thing a try, see if we can get it running. Looks good to me, guys. Sounds good, running good, firing right up. It's hard to beat that. So we have another successful, simple, something that you don't see very often. So hopefully, you know, maybe this will guide you guys into a problem here. Fixing one anyway. So just be mindful when you're putting the starter generator on new. Just be mindful of your battery connections and all that good stuff. Hopefully this video will help some of you out if you're having some kind of weird issue like this. Generally this is not the case. This customer put this starter generator on the golf cart himself. Never worked on golf carts before, so he really didn't know what was going on, but can't fault him for trying. But he also had another issue that would have arose if he did this right. Regardless, he would have had that battery connection issue there. So yeah, just take your time when you're putting new stuff on, and take pictures if you got to know where things go. And as always, we hope this video helps you guys out, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Any questions, please give us a call. Comment on the channel for sure. Don't forget the QR code. Takes you to the website. Gets you all the parts and accessories you could ever want. And as always, God bless you all. Thank you for watching.